Hello, this is my Dynam E-Razor 450. And I have Turnigy radio system, Turnigy 9X. I flew with it today, earlier. I flew and did some trim adjustments. I landed, and later, when I tried to land with it again, you see, almost, okay, let's see, half stick, half throttle. I go down, and the helicopter went crazy. And the results are my new blades. I put them today, and I need to replace them again. There are still yellow pieces on the ground from the blades. I haven't tried it. I haven't tried to switch it off. Let's try it. Let's do like this. The main screen. Up. Powered on. The menu. Find the display. Sweet. It works again fine. Turnigy 9X. I have no idea what to do. Thank you.